Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I got the brown box in the mail again. Most of you know who this is from. Another AppMex purchase from eBay. Pretty excited. This is another 2019 coin. So let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, well let's tear this thing open and see what's inside here. Always glued quite well from AppMex. Get it off of there, and they also glue inside the box as well, which is good so it's not flapping around. Let's get my knife out here. Get this thing open. Okay, what's inside here? Now we're going to have an invoice, which we do, and here we go. Here she is, another 2019 Canadian maple leaf. Quarter ounce. 999 pure gold. I'll get it under the coin cam. We'll take a look at it. Just admiring the beauty. You can see here these dealers must get these in sheets. These are perforated here. They just rip them off and throw them in a package. But I'm going to cut it out of there carefully, and I'm going to put it in an airtight. So let me go ahead and get some gloves on. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to go ahead and cut this open very, very carefully. I do not want to nick the coin at all. Just want to get the plastic off from around it. See, I'm being very careful not to cut that coin. It should just fall out of here if I cut it right. And there we go. So let's go ahead and look at this beauty out of the plastic wrapper. Oh man, that is nice. So this camera will refocus on it. Guess not. That's why we've got the coin cam. So let's put the leaf side up first. Zoom in. Looks like I'm going to need to focus it a little bit. So let's go ahead and focus on this thing. There we go. It's kind of a hard time with those security radial lines in there. But still, it says 9999 on both sides of the coin. Fine gold, quarter ounce pure. So isn't that a beauty? Let's look at the queen side. Take a look at that. See, it says 2019. $10. Elizabeth II. Oh, look at that. Very, very nice. So what do you think? Pretty cool, huh? Now this is my second 2019 that I've gotten in the last few days. First one was bought with eBay bucks, and this one was bought with the eBay 15% discount. So this one, believe it or not, was $12 under spot. For a quarter ounce of gold, $12 under spot, which is just fantastic. So I'll get my airtight out, and let's go ahead and put this in the airtight. Got it right here. Now this is airtights for quarter ounces of gold. I think it works for both ASEs and the Canadian maple leaf. I'm sorry, not ASE, but AGE, American Gold Eagle. So this doesn't fit perfectly until you put the lid on it. So if you put it in there, you can see here, slides back and forth a little bit. So what I like to do is just center it up, get that thing right in the middle of the airtight, like that. Then when you press the lid on, get it nice and tight. It fits very well, and you can see it doesn't shake around in there. So it fits very nice once it's on there. So now that I've got the airtight on, I can take my glove off and admire this specimen. So yeah, this is a good start to 2019, huh? Nice piece of gold. 999949 pure gold. So I'm pretty happy with it. Zoom down in there a little bit. Ooh, looks good. Push it over in the center a little bit better. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, why don't you go ahead and do that now. Just go ahead and click on the subscribe button. And also, check out these video recommendations that I popped up for you. Got some great content in there. Go ahead and click on them and check them out. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.